So this talk is pointing out there's another math mistake in Einstein's 1905 paper in special relativity. This is the usual translation into English of Einstein's paper. There are many translation problems which I pointed out in other videos, but there's also many maths problems with it as well. So I'm going to deal with a simple math problem which was brought to my attention by this person. So what Einstein has in section 3, he has that which leads to x equals ct. Then in section 4 he has x equals vt. And that doesn't make sense. He's making a mess with his variables. You're having x one moment being ct and x moment being vt. That just makes a mess of the mathematics. So I'm going to highlight where this is in this paper. And so this is in section 3 of Einstein's paper, and he says that if we place x prime equal to x minus vt, then further on in section 3 he goes on to say that x prime divided by c minus v equals t, and you can rearrange that to be x prime equals to ct minus vt, and then earlier he said x prime equals x minus vt, so that therefore leads you to conclude that x equals ct, and that's in section 3. When we go to section 4, he's telling you x equals vt. So that's where he's making a mess of the mathematical notation. X equals vt in section 4, when earlier he had x equals ct. So now I'm reiterating what I pointed out earlier. Section 3 he has x equals ct, and in section 4 he has x equals vt. And if you're going by that, it's making a mess of the mathematics. You're ending up with x prime as being equal to vt minus vt equals 0 for all values of v, when it's not supposed to be. So Einstein's papers are just a mess of mathematics. They need tidying up, but the physics establishment is quite happy to do nothing about the mess and just carry on regardless. And so that's the end of this little talk. Thank you. The end. Thank you.